Hello, hello. I am going to be showing you guys the brow pencil today. It's pretty awesome. On one end it has the spoolie, so you can, work it through and brush them out. And then on the other end has the pencil, and you don't have to sharpen it. It just glides up and down. I use the shade dark. It also has light and medium. So I could probably do medium or dark, but today I'm going to be doing this one in dark. And now you want to do just fine little strokes, so it looks like you're drawing on the hair. And then you just want to follow your brow line. Try not to overdraw too much. Little strokes, drawing on those hairs. Okay, and then now we're going to take the spoolie side and just kind of work it in there and brush it out a little, and it'll kind of soften it up a little bit. Okay, so see? And I'm going to finish up with the other side. Okay, and there you have it. Brush through this side, and we have drawn on our brows. And that's the brow pencil. Thanks you guys for watching. See you next time.